I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the 3 ranges you need: the return column and the 1 or more criteria columns. This avoids misaligned matches later. Once done, convert ranges to absolute refs like $1.02, $100 so copying works reliably. Now type the core index, for example equals index, return call match 1, crit 1 equals range 1 asterisk, crit 2 equals range 2, 0. You'll enter it as an array formula in older Excel with Control plus Shift plus Enter. This forces X. Next, you build the logical match. Multiply logical tests so only rows meeting every condition produce 1. For example, A2, A100 equals G1 asterisk, B2, B100 equals H1. Make sure to coerce booleans to numbers using or n, because match needs numeric results. If your dataset is large, create a helper column that concatenates criteria values. This simplifies to a single match and speeds calculations. Either way, verify range lengths match exactly. Mismatched sizes return hash and slash or errors. Finally, wrap up by confirming index returns the value from the row where match found 1. That completes the multiple criteria lookup. If you get hash and slash or wrong results, make sure criteria types match, text versus numbers, and remove stray spaces with trim or convert with value. Also ensure all ranges have identical dimensions. As a quick fix, test with a manual example row and step through the logical arrays using evaluate formula to see which test fails. That reveals the issue immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.